Alright guys, so here is Nvidia OS Zorin OS. I'm going to show you why you should not use the Nvidia OS for Nvidia. So right here you can see the graphic is not very nice. It looks bigger. So of course we'll need to check out what the driver is. It is the LLVM pipe. Now I know how to fix this. You can check out my previous videos for this. But now you check in this software and updates, the driver is wrong. The version is wrong. Of course, this may be due to the updates on Zorin OS itself. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to update it and I'm going to see if it works. As you can see, the Nvidia setting is also wrong. The control panel is wrong. So let's fix this and let's see if it works. You can see there is packages for Nvidia, so it could be that it is in the wrong place or you need to update it. So I'm going to show you after updating, and now it is updated, as you can see. So let's check out this driver. And as you can see, the driver is still showing the wrong version and it is still great on the apply changes. If you check in the settings, you'll of course see that it is still the same LLVM pipe, right? The graphic is still wrong resolution. So of course you can try and do like my other videos that I show you how to install Nvidia driver properly, but there is still a lot of other problems that I have not recorded. I will show you now. The drivers that I installed all are the same with the standard OS, and I'm going to show you now the game I'm playing.
This data vault is equipped with a variety of security measures. How you defeat those measures is up to you.
So now you have seen the game I played before, the FPS, and I'm going to show you this Zorin OS here, the standard one, and you can see the graphic is very nice. Everything looks okay on the resolution. I'm going to try updating the Zorin OS, and I'm going to show you here now. The settings is showing you NV126 driver, and you can see the driver is showing at the correct Xorg. Alright, so let me show you after I update this Zorin OS. Right, it's all updated, so I'm going to show you if I were to update this version and apply, and I'm going to show you after this the settings will show the correct version. That is updated. Now it's asking to restart, so I restart. and now you can see it's showing Nvidia graphic card name. So I want to show you right now, in these additional drivers it will show you the driver that I updated. Alright, so now you can see it's showing this driver here. It's correct, it's great on the apply changes, so it is correct. Right, so now I want to show you the Nvidia control panel. Everything is normal. You can install this from the store, so you can just directly install Nvidia settings in the standard OS and everything will work normal. So far I've seen this, I have not touched much of this, but it looks like it's working. So let's try playing games, and you can see the Counter-Strike inside this standard OS works.
You need is in a nearby data vault. Infiltrate the vault and retrieve the segment.
The Ascaris is working, breaking through. I see the shadows of your mind.
This data vault is equipped with a variety of security measures. How you defeat those measures is up to you.
Alright, so here's the average FPS for Warframe. You can see the Nvidia OS, this is the average, standard OS, this is the average. The standard OS is almost similar to the Windows FPS. If you want to check out my previous videos on comparison between Zorin OS and the Windows, you can. So later on I'll show you in the future videos the actual standard OS versus the Windows, that you'll now see why you should not use Nvidia OS, and it is not the Nvidia problem, it is the Zorin OS package for Nvidia. It is giving the wrong perception that Nvidia is very lousy in Zorin OS. So please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamer signing out.